Natural gas gave a gap up opening close to $7 levels, went close to $7 levels in this week, and since then it has filled, not only filled the gap, but in fact has gone to $6 levels. Now see, 7 to 6 journey completely achieved in single week itself. Now also one must observe, we had seen higher lows, and also we had seen this, that it is trying to trade in this bullish channel for a little while. So now what to expect next week? Is it going to give you another gap up opening, or is it going to break from here? And if yes, which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of this analysis, I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, and yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the daily analysis and targets on NG, which I share very early in the day with the Asia session. Let's start. First, we'll look into charts, followed with indicators. Now, look at the movement of NG here. Now, see the lows for the NG. This was in July 21. This is in October, and now this time. So 5.3 is certainly giving it a very stronger support here, and it is failing to breach past, rather I will say 5.5. You can see multiple candles getting the closer above this. Now it has achieved these levels and now trying to rise again. Previously it was trying to trade in this bullish channel. After that we have seen a sharp drop, achieved the bottom here. Now again trying to retrace. So it is trying to create a bullish channel on its own. You can see this previous slope and this slope is almost aligned, and if you look at the movement, you will find it is trying to trade in this channel. Previously this was this channel. Now any point of time next week, if you see it trading above this 6.5 levels, you can stay long. Beyond 6.5, definitely first resistance at 6.7, 6.8, breaking beyond 6.7, 6.8, certainly the next target is $7 levels. So for next week, one thing is important, that trading above 6.5, one can stay long. Next observation here is, look at the last two candles, lower highs, lower lows, opening below the zone at 6.38 levels. You can expect that there could be a little drop, but then still 6.36 levels are going to be very important support levels. So we will watch out for how it behaves, but right now it appears that it can possibly reverse the trend which we saw last week. Now look at the weekly charts. Coming to the weekly charts here, on the weekly charts, see, this was the previous trend. It has reversed this, but again achieving the bottom, it is showing a reversal here. Now is this the reversal? Let's have a further detail look at the previous candle. Opened high and traded in red. Now it is trying to trade in this bullish channel, possibly opening below, beyond the zone, trading above 6.5. Certainly one can expect that we are looking forward to 7.2, 7.4 zone, which is definitely going to be the resistance zone. Hence you need to remain cautious. Possibly it can trade bullish from here, as it is created not only the bottom, but also it is, we have seen the previous higher high, so it can try to achieve higher highs from here sooner or later. So this is on the monthly charts. Also if you look at the chart, we know that any point of time now it drops below 5, it has a lot much ground to cover below 5, then you can expect it to achieve $4 levels in few weeks, few months from then. So yes, I'll wait till the time it trades above 5, 5.3. Do not consider this as bearish. Now coming to the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, look at this. We discussed this last time also, that lower lows are done. Possibly it may try to give you lower highs from the previous candle, and even if it tries to rise and trades above 7, the resistance at 7.6, 7.8 zone is going to be maximum, and trading above 7 in this month of December, we may see NG hitting or closing the month at around 7.8 levels. There is a strong probability exists, though it is downward trending till 7.8. Probably yes, it can try to attempt and achieve in this month itself. Breaking above 8, certainly it is going to go bullish from there, and we can expect a stronger bullish momentum to continue in NG after $8 levels. So this is another observation here. Now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look at the indicators. Now indicators on the daily charts, you'll find these are the 20, 50 and 100 period moving average. Everything is going, it is clustered here within the zone at 7 and 6.3. So it has to come out of this zone for it to break the shackles and trade bullish, and hence $7 level certainly is going to be a good range, beyond which it is definitely going to trade bullish. Directional movement on the daily chart, it is divergent and bearish. Stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. The MACD is in green, trading with little divergence, and the RSI almost trading flat here. Now, if you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly charts too, certainly 7.2 level, the 20 period moving average, the support here at 6.4 from the 50 period moving average on the downside at 100 period moving average comes at around $5 levels, which are going to be definitely a stronger support. Now, the directional movement here is definitely bullish, it is diverging here. The stochastic is looking downwards on the weekly charts, and if you look at the MACD, this is bearish and it is waiting for it to converge crossover and continue with the bullish momentum. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the monthly charts here, on the monthly chart, the 20 months average has given it a good support and it is trying to trade with that as support, trying to rise a little. Directional movement so far is bearish and it is trying to bullish and it is trying to convert. This is for the story since last couple of years that it is trying to trade in green. It is not yet crossed over for the sell, though it is converged multiple times. The stochastic, if you see, it is trading at the bottom. The MACD on the monthly chart is on the verge of a crossover, and this is a bearish cross. Now see this cross. Now we have seen this last week also. This cross is happening at a high here, and this means that the probability for NG to trade bearish from here for next few months or some point of time in near future, we may see it trading bearish only. So it appears this crossover may happen. The NG may trade go into sell side and will try to stay there for a little while, try to comfort it out, try to trade in like this, and then possibly a bounce back. So yes, one has to remain cautious here, as this crossover again, you can see this previously, this crossover happened here in 2006, and then this drop has been seen. It traded bearish, then the reversal, and then again a crossover on the monthly charts, and it traded bearish there. Now again it is trying to do the same here. This crossover is trying to happen at a high, and possibility from here exists that it can try to continue with the drop, or even if it tries to close at in green this time, possibility exists that it can reverse next month. Because this crossover is important, it may try to trade in red for next few months. RSI is also looking downwards, so this is an important observation on the monthly charts. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy and trading levels for next week. And before we proceed with the levels, yes, if you want to learn this art of identifying the entry points, taking the profitable trades and exiting it profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts on 9th of January. This is the 18th batch. Be a part of it. Do not miss this opportunity. And the tools and strategies taught will definitely help you identifying the trades and become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, see, next week, yes, you can buy, but only buy at 6.5 levels. Beyond 6.5, you can expect that we are looking at 6.58, 6.64, 6.7, 6.8. Only and only if NG breaks past 6.8, there could be little more bullishness, which might take it for $7 levels, which is definitely a very strong resistance. And beyond $7 levels, it is going to fly high for 7.2, 7.4. Most importantly, trading above 7, it is going to definitely probably try to end the month at around 7.6, 7.8 levels. So I'll wait for it to trade above 7, 7.2 zone, certainly, beyond which a little more bullishness can be seen. However, as we saw on the monthly chart, there is a possibility for it to trade in red. And yes, if you see it trading below 6.35, you can sell here. Below 6.35, first support at 6.3, then 6.14, and then $6 levels. So $6 levels are definitely going to play a major important support role, because below that I look forward to 5.82, and then 5.65, and then 5.5 levels. Below that, a good drop will take it to 5.4, 5.2, and in fact, see, $5 levels, because a strong bearish candle will definitely try to pull it further down on the daily chart. So I'll wait for it to break past $6 levels. That should be the level and benchmark for me to consider it for another round of good drop. And then $5.3 levels on the downside, which is the triple bottom level. If it breaks below this, certainly more bearishness will prevail for NG, which might take it below $5 level. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. There are certain stronger resistance level at 6 and $6.87 levels, and in between 6 and 7 you have to stay cautious, stay alert. Any drop above and below will definitely help it decide the direction. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.